Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's Abigail from ACI Designs here. So for this tutorial I'm going to be going over how to do different type of granny square. So if you like this content and you would like more videos pertaining to crocheting, feel free to subscribe, comment down below, comment all of that good stuff. So I'm going to be working with two different colours. It's going to be black and purple. Okay, so I want the inside to be purple. Okay, and I'm going to be using, this colour is called Damson from Cygnet. That's the name of the yarn. You can purchase it from Wool Warehouse online. I believe it's on Love Crochet, or you can, I don't know, I don't think they are in crochet stores. I've never seen them in local crochet haberdashery stores, sorry. So if you want this exact brand and colour, it's called Cygnet and the colour is called Damson, okay? So for a granny square, you want to start off with a chain of 4, okay? 1, 2, 3 and 4, perfect. Now after you have chained 4, sorry, let's get the focus right. You want to insert your hook into the first chain, okay? Once you've done that, you want to yarn over and pull through both of the loops. So these are called loops. Whatever is on your yarn, it will be known as a loop, okay? So now you want to chain 3, then yarn over, okay? Insert into the hole in the center, yarn over again, pull through. You want to yarn over again, pull through 2, okay? Yarn over, pull through 2. Now, you want to repeat this process. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I'm using a 4mm hook. This requires a 5. So this is going to make it a bit tighter. If you want it to be its true size, its true gauge, you will find that information on the yarn packaging. You want to use a 5 so that you can have the true gauge of the your work. Okay, so I'm gonna chain. Is it 3? Yes, 3, chain 3, yarn over, oops, sorry, and then repeat this process again. You want to do it 3 times. Okay, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now if you want to learn how I'm holding everything and positioning everything, you can check out my previous videos. It will explain all of that lovely information. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, okay? Now chain 3 again. You want to yarn over again, insert, so you're just repeating this. You're going to do 2 more clusters, okay? Sorry. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. You don't understand. Now, once you get there, you want to do 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Then, remember the first 3 chains you made. This will now be classed as a double crochet. The third chain on the third chain on the double crochet, you want to join in at the top. So you just insert yarn over, pull through, and then pull through again into the second loop. Now that's your first round, okay? Now I'm gonna add in another color, and I'm gonna add in the black. This is also a Cygnet brand, and it's just black, you know. So what you want to do here is pull through. Did you see that? Let me make sure you all saw that, because alright, I'm going to leave a bit of a tail, then, oh, not the back, then I'm going to pull, I'm going to yarn over, pull it through, then I'm going to make sure I pull down the purple yarn just to lock it in. Oh, I can't lie, my back's hurting. Right, doing crochet videos is not easy. The position I'm in right now, you'll be laughing at me if you saw me. But yes, there we go. Now I'm on black. So now what you need to do, I do apologize for the bad quality. My camera lens cracked, so that is why it looks the way it looks. So now you want to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now pull down the purple even tighter. Now it looks like everything is all in one, right? Once you chain 3, you want to yarn over. Okay, you want to skip all 3 of these double crochets and go into a chain 3 space. Why is it called a chain 3 space? Because you have 3 chains in this space, okay? So you yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, okay? That's your first double crochet, okay? A single crochet would just be going through, yarn overing once, and pulling through, okay? But you do it 2 times, so that's why it's called a double crochet. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, okay? Chain 3. Wait, let me check. Yep, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, okay? This is my favourite hook, by the way. I think I told you all this already. Those of you that have seen my previous video, this cost me £10. I thought I was going to get a pack of 5, but I only got 1. £10, you know. £10. Oh my god. I love this one, but £10. Comment down below if you think it's worth £10. I was expecting 5, sorry. Maybe I'm just being cheap. Yarn over. Insert, so you won't be chaining at this point. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you want to keep on doing double crochets. So 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, chain 3. Alright? One, 2, 3. I'm going to do 3 double crochets again. And what this does, it creates a corner, right? Can you see the corner? So you have the 3 double crochets, and then you've got the chain 3 space helping it to form a corner. That's what you want. That's how you get a granny square, right? Anyways, I'm a bit silly, by the way. Just to let you guys know. Those of you that are new to my channel, I'm a bit silly. You know, we all have our moments, so yeah. So keep repeating. 1, 2, 3. I'm not silly in a way of I'm stupid. I just mean like, you know, in a good way. Like, you know, I like to have a good laugh. Yarn over, insert. Okay. So another 6 double crochet. Feel free to pause and do what you have to do. Alright, sorry, this bit now, once you get to the end, you only need to do 2 double crochets, because this one here, this is the 3 chains we made in the beginning, but it acts as a double crochet, so that will be our 3rd double crochet that we will be joining into. Oh, there you go, so you join in and voila, vamos. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my purple. What I like to do is leave a bit of length, okay, because we're going to be weaving this in. So what you would do after this is cut it in the center, that way you can weave it in. Some people, what they do, they just tie it, like the 2 yarns together, and then continue working. That's a very good way to save yarn, but I like to do it this way. I like to do it both ways anyways, you know what I'm saying? Insert, there we go. Now pull the black down, and then you want to chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yarn over, chain 3, 3 double crochets, another 3 double crochet. Why? Because now we are in between the corners. Okay, so before we only had corners, and then we had to make more corners, but now we're working in between corners. Okay. Wow, I must say teaching is really because I teach children weekly, and it's really helping me to explain how to crochet easier. Oh, praise it, that's wonderful. Okay, now another 3 in between the corners. Okay, there's 4 corners. Now I'm going to do another corner. This is going to be my 3rd corner. Is it my 3rd? Yep. Chain in. Oh, hello. Yarn over. Sorry. Okay. And now we're in between a corner again. Do 3 double crochets. Yarn over. Chain 3. Yarn over. Another 3 double crochets. Now, from this point on, you're going to see this a lot. All you need to do is 2 extra double crochets. I hope you can see that. So you've got the starting 3 chains that we did in the beginning when we start our new round. So now you just need to do 2 double crochet in that space right here. Okay, and then after that you join. Okay, you join at the top of the 3rd chain. So I'm gonna pause my video and I'm gonna do maybe, how many rows? Maybe 3 more rows. Yes, 3 more rows, and I shall see you at the end. Okay, can you see the pattern so far? Yeah, I'm so sorry about my camera. Okay, so I've done my granny square. It's so pretty. I really wish I had lens at the back. Near the lens glass. So can you see that? You've got the black, the purple. It's so pretty, I love it. Haha. Anyways. I absolutely love it. Now I'm going to start weaving everything in. So can you see we have our corners, and then we've got the in-betweens, okay? Now I'm going to take my tapestry needle. Okay, make sure you have a tapestry needle. Or if you just have a normal needle with a really large eye. That's what I call it, eye. It might not be eye, but Alright, I'm going to start weaving everything in. So can you see that there? I'm going to cut that bit. Just cut right in the center. Is there any more to cut? Nope. Right, so this is how I weave everything in. So you see the circle? I like to hide it in there. Okay, now it's just too short. I'm just gonna cut closely. Okay. Inside, yep. Now, I know most crocheters, they weave in the whole thing, but for me, I don't really do that. I think it's fine to weave in most of the yarn, but if you want, you can weave in the whole thing. Now, you may be wondering, okay, how do I hide them systematically when there's different colors? Well, always weave it in where its color is, and even if you weave it into another color, you're not going to see it. You're not going to see it. But just weave it into the same color, and then cut it closely. Okay. There we have it. Okay. Completed. Oh, wonderful. Okay, so once again, if you enjoyed this tutorial, feel free to like, comment and subscribe and share. During this period, the coronavirus period, it's very good to take the time out to learn new skills, and why not have your family and friends join you on that journey? So, learn more about crocheting, or even learn about finance. Learn how to cook if you can't cook. Learn how to bake, Perfect. So, be sure to turn on your notification bell. I will have another tutorial on how to do like a border around your granny square, okay? Bye for now, willing hands.